Nice!
I go to the front so it goes a bit faster. If there's somebody up to the road. Yeah?
But how about the rope? That's okay?
I'm gonna do it.
As well.
At the surfboard, I had to go a little bit forward. I was too much at the back at the beginning.
Yeah.
Then I put more weight on the
Where
front.
did you? You have to stand here.
No, I couldn't. It's like here and here. On the screw. I wanted to